Hi, welcome back to Jordan Hauser Digital. Over the weekend, we hit 5,000 subscribers on this channel. 5,000. That's humongous. I never thought that I would actually get to 5,000. Like, I hit my first 100, and then, surprisingly enough, I hit 200, and then 500, and then all of a sudden I was at 1,000, and now I'm at 5,000. The only thing that I can attribute this to is hard work and you guys. That's pretty much it. No big plugs from any channels, no shout outs from any big channels, anything like that. Mainly just hard work, long hours, and almost a failed relationship. But we're good now. One of the biggest compliments that I get on this channel is that my production quality is high. People enjoy, how my videos look. I wanted to start out making some videos about lighting and how important lighting is and how that can boost the production value of your YouTube videos. Today we're going to talk about motivated lighting because it's very simple. It's something that anyone can do. So thank you guys for 5,000. I really appreciate it. Let's go. Lighting is the ace in your sleeve, and if you learn how to control your light, sky's the limit. So what I wanted to do today was start out with something really simple. Basically just how I lit this, okay? It's nothing fancy, it's nothing crazy. So, window light right here, okay? We got our little practical light back there, doing some good things with the background. And we have a background light, right? Nice and simple. But that's really not the case. That little light back there really isn't doing all of this on my face. It's not. It might look like it is, and that's by design. I wanted it to look like this is coming from that. All right? But let's take a look and see what's really doing it. It's an LED panel, okay? So that little light back there really isn't doing anything except for what you see right there, okay? It's not giving off much light at all. It's very dim, to be honest. You can see my backlight up here giving off some light right here on my face. This window, not a window, all right? This is a light. Looks like a window, but it's not. Okay, we have a backlight. We actually have another motivated light in the background. If you can see the LED strips right there in the corner, it looks like they are lighting the whole background, but they're not. I have another background light right behind me that is shining up there, the same color as these LED lights right here. And what that's doing is making you, the audience, think that these lights are doing all of that work and that light is doing all of this work. It's not. It's called motivating light. You don't have to spend a ton of money on lighting to make it look good. The most expensive light that we have here is the Aputure 120D. It's very expensive. It's about $700. But there are cheaper options, and I will put those links down below. They are affiliate links, so if you click on them and go to Amazon at no extra cost to you, I would make, maybe $1 or $2, a couple bucks. And that's awesome. That's motivating me to continue making these videos. Let me take you through a little bit of what we got going on here. I want to show you the whole setup, just so you understand where we're at. Okay, so I'm going to break out the G7X real quick. Here we go. We've got camera. You can see right up in the corner up here through the reflection on my monitor, that's my backlight. All right, so let me back up here and show you guys what we got going on here. So, down on the floor, we've got our background light. Over here, we have our practical. This is the back light or the rim light. There, right there is my fill light. That's my tungsten source that makes it look as if this light is doing something bigger than it is. And there's the big 120D with a grid that is mimicking our daylight. I really want to start to focus down on this channel and really show you guys what I think is the most important thing when it comes to making videos. And I'm not just talking about YouTube videos. I'm talking about going out and making videos for clients. How are you going to start to make some money with this skill that you've acquired? I mean, you're out there, you're doing it, you're shooting YouTube videos. Why not take it to the next step and try and make a couple bucks doing it? So if you can learn some awesome lighting techniques or camera techniques or something from this channel, that would make my day. That would make me feel as though I am doing something good. So if you're sitting there thinking that you want to improve your lighting in your videos and boost that production value, get that production quality up, you can mess around with techniques like this. Practical light, simple. We started out nice and simple. Next time I'll show you how to build the book light and get a much softer source. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber already, go ahead and get down there in the corner and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope this video was valuable to you guys, and we're going to keep on going. We're going to keep on moving. So I'll see you next time.